Hey guys, wanna upload music to your Google Drive account on your phone device? Let me show you two simple ways on how to do it, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial and now let's get started. First off, open Files app on your phone device and now locate the file with the music and just give it a tap. Now find the share icon at the bottom left corner and just give it a tap. This will bring up this pop-up menu. Now swipe up for a better view and from this bottom tab, select Google Drive from the options. And now you can pretty much upload it right away, but you can also choose a folder, and when you did, just click Upload at the top right. Now let me show you the second way. So for the second way, you can open Google Drive either through website or inside the app, and when you did, just go to the Files tab at the bottom right and tap on the plus icon at the bottom right too. Now click on the Upload File option from the pop-up menu and now select the Browse option at the bottom. Now here, select the music file you want to upload, tap Open at the top right, and now click Upload. So that's pretty much it, guys. Here are two easy ways on how to do it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.